Welcome everyone to my channel, Blue Lotus Gardens. How are y'all doing today? Today I am going to repot my Aglaonema Maria. Wow, I actually got it right that time. Aglaonema Maria. So it's time to repot because the roots are on top of the soil and it's starting to show some yellow leaves, and I wake up every day and I just see it grow. It's right next to my bed. I'm gonna hide my shelf right there because I am not done cleaning it. Sorry guys. And I am going to get to it. But yeah, I have it right next to my bed and I love it, and it really needs to be repotted and loved, and it's right next to my Fittonia as well, and I need to get that repotted soon because it looks like it's about to like bust out of the nursery pot. Okay, let's get to it. So basically I just have it in this like little cachepot. I don't think it's meant to be a cachepot because it's getting a little rusty, so it's gonna be for outdoor use now. So this is a good time to uppot it to this, like this Aglaonema. It's just really striking with the leaves. I don't know, I'm getting really into like different Bacchias as well. They're just very simple, and I just really appreciate how simple and elegant they look. So I'm going to squish the bottom. I already have some soil in here. Pretty well draining soil. Squish the bottom. And get them out. Oh my. Yeah, he was ready for repot. Look at that. The roots are like on top. Oops. Oh, this. Okay. Well. It was. Oh, so this is like its little baby that it was giving off. There. Just wiggle them out. So I tap the soil. It helps the roots not break, and you still remain a root ball. Also, you lose a little bit of like some roots, I'm not gonna lie, but it's better than like trying to dig in there and get all like bothered and stuff. So put this on the side for right now. Grab my big old pot over here. There we go. Okay, now I feel better. It was not centered, and that was bothering me. So I centered it. Right. So I was actually gonna put the little baby one in another pot, but I feel like it needs something right here. So I'm gonna add it to it right here. Back to your mama you go. Perfect. Now to dress it. There you have it. A successful replot of an Aglaonema Maria. I'm really fascinated by their foliage. As you see how those green, light green and green markings kind of just contrast with each other. I love it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there. Peace.